And data loss can occur for several reasons. It could mean that there's network connection, or it could be a bad modem, which is exactly what happened to me in my case. A few years ago, I was constantly lagging just about everything I did on the internet. So I did continuous feedback, and I was dropping at least 1/3 of my packets fairly consistently. So I determined that it had to be my modem. So I had it replaced, and it solved the problem. Or in another scenario, if we wanted to ping a remote server on the internet and if to the destination. Or it could also mean that the remote server is to a network. So let's use the ping command in a typical scenario. So suppose someone to a computer, which is a pretty common issue. So the first thing I do is that I would sit at their computer, check their modem or router or any cable connections. The first thing I do is do a simple ping test. So I would open as yahoo.com. Now notice in this method, I'm actually pinging the domain name yahoo.com and not its IP address. Because by doing it this way, I'm also testing name resolution issues related to DNS. And then I automatically know that all of my hardware 21 milliseconds, because remember, a ping only displays the time of the final destination. And the last column tells us the IP addresses of each router and the final destination, and it'll also and did a simple ping test. So really, the only time you destination and the trace
Already done.
is just a tool that is used to find it if you're just curious about the path that data packets take to their destination. Now, traceroute is a little bit different from doing a ping, because when you ping a server, such as google.com, your computer will send out 4 data packets to the destination, and once it reaches the destination, it'll return the data packets back to your computer. So if you received all or some of the data packets back to your computer, then that tells us that there is general